27.
27th of
No, 27,
May.
28.
2016.
28th of May.
Don,
Yes, hello. I'm asleep.
Alan.
I'm knackered.
Alan's been doing some hard work today. He's put these
Dodgers.
Dodgers on. He's done a good job of it. Well, he's done a job of it. What else have we done?
Toilet.
Toilet. Don's been down the toilet. We've replaced all the valves on the toilet. It actually works now. You can go for a poo now, can't you, Don?
Yeah, you can.
Have you been, Walter?
Not yet. I'm saving it up.
Good job you didn't want me to go this morning.
We don't need that on camera. This is a family channel, this one.
Oh, alright.
We fitted the engine. We now have Honda 5 horsepower, which runs perfect.
I don't suppose you thought about getting the serial number off of it, have you?
What serial numbers? Hey, it's not keep turning left, you know. It's got so many anti-theft devices on that.
That's them turning left, I was told, and we got pinched.
It's wired on, bolted on. If they want to steal it, let them steal it. Look at the state of it in there.
I'd cut it out, that, if I were you.
If they want to steal it, they can steal it. Steal it!
What are you doing, trying to get all my wrinkles in? I'd rather you did long range
I might
shots
cut.
about it.
I might cut a little bit of it. Yeah, he's done the toilet, Don, done a good job of it. It actually works now, but I think we're going to have to clean up now. Really is time we cleaned up. Lovely day at Conway, as you can see. The other part of Second Chance Sailing, there he is. I don't know if you can see him. He's on his own boat, Alan, further up there. Yeah. The lady's not for turning.